Ethereum cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, which generally is very critical. We here truly will give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Ethereum in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Is ETH truly worth purchasing in 2023? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 amazingly? How genuinely high might Ethereum at any point go? Our aid will especially provide you with a thought of the Ethereum expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to key commonly passed cost graphs, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum pretty past value examination, or so they really thought. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Ethereum generally is $1,825.44, and ETH basically is presently positioned number 2 in the whole crypto market in a kind of significant manner. The flow supply of ETH is 122,373,866 with a market cap of $223,385,882,805 in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost has shown a sort of good increment of 2.31% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. From most recent 7 days, the Ethereum was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.85% in an unobtrusive manner. ETH generally has shown areas of strength for extremely, and this could be very great chance to generally dive right in and truly contribute. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the very current cost worth and recent days cost history, it especially is seen that Ethereum certainly has expanded 5.97% in its cost esteem. The typical lease cost for the 1 month explicitly is $1,598.66, while fundamentally greatest for the most part normal cost was $1,665.93. This infers that this coin really is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 33.17%, and the value sort of course from an extremely least kind of typical worth of $1,214.24 to fundamentally greatest normal worth of $1,226.23 in the kind of beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we in a real sense believe that comparative pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Ethereum generally is expanded from 4 months, or so they especially thought. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in a genuinely large manner. The coin in a real sense is up by 35.16%, with the very most extreme typical cost of the coin truly was around $1,215.66, and the truly least kind of typical value of around $1,179.27 in kind of beyond 4 months in an unpretentious manner. We give our all to in a real sense gathered greatest verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporates sort of numerous elements like past value, market cap, volume, and in every practical sense, more. Assuming you especially are looking to for the most part put resources into digital money market, try to peruse our expectation. Ethereum value expectation for 2023 is per our conjecture. In 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is supposed to reach at least value level of $1,734.17 in a significant manner. The ETH cost can essentially arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,971.47, with the typical exchanging cost of $1,916.71. Ethereum value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to for the most part reach at a by and large least worth of $2,790.56. The ETH cost can arrive at a very most extreme degree of $3,163.09, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,867.22 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value gauge 2025 to 2026. The cost of Ethereum basically is especially anticipated to reach at least degree of $4,091.54 in 2025, which is very critical. The Ethereum cost can in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of $4,864.20, with the truly normal cost of $4,206.23 all through 2025, which is genuinely huge. The cost of Ethereum fundamentally is anticipated to explicitly reach at the very least degree of $6,124.48 in 2026 in a very huge manner. The Ethereum cost can in a real sense arrive at in every practical sense most extreme degree of $7,222.77 with the exceptionally normal cost of $6,292.73 all through 2026, which essentially is very huge. ETH value expectation for 2027 Ethereum cost certainly is gauged to for the most part arrive at a least degree of $8,891.84 in 2027 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $10,983.65 with the typical figure cost of $9,143.55 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can essentially arrive at a limit of $15,346.87 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $13,287.15 in USD, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum value expectation for 2029 the cost of 1 Ethereum in every practical sense is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $19,344.88 in 2029 amazingly. The ETH cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $22,831.24 with the typical cost of $19,876.37 all through 2029. Ethereum value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the estimate in kind of profound specialized examination. In 2030 the cost of Ethereum explicitly is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $28,652.29. The ETH cost can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value worth of $33,677.60 with the typical worth of $29,447.34. Ethereum value expectation for 2031 the cost of Ethereum in every way that really matters is supposed to generally reach at a kind of least worth of $41,731.06 in 2031. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $49,220.41 with the typical exchanging cost of $43,203.42 all through 2031. Ethereum value expectation for 2032 Ethereum cost especially is figured to explicitly arrive at in a real sense the most minimal conceivable degree of $58,213.27 in 2032 in an unobtrusive manner. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest in every way that really matters conceivable degree of $71,966.71 with the by and large normal conjecture cost of $60,373.44, which explicitly is very critical. What is the Ethereum cost today and in every practical sense, large way? Today the cost of Ethereum is $1,825.44 with the market cap of $223,385,882,805.000. What will be the ETH most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2023, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking? In a real sense the most elevated estimated cost for ETH explicitly is supposed to arrive at a truly greatest worth of $1,971.47 toward the finish of 2023. What will be the Ethereum most noteworthy anticipated